In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on SLP future while talking about the smooth love mixture cost estimate for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like smooth love mixture. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dig profound into the smooth love mixture value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that SLP is a wise venture or not. For what reason will SLP succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will smooth love elixir value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-05 22.96% $0 0021 2023 05 212.89% $0 0021 2023 05 220.32% $0 0022 2023 05 23 plus 0.05% $0 0022 2023 05 244.84% $0 0021 2023 05 254.02% $0 0021 2023 05 266.18% $0 0021 2023 05 275.34% $0 0021 2023 05 286.60% $0 0021 2023 05 296.93% $0 0021 2023 05 308.42% $0 love elixir value expectation 2023 high expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance pondered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will most likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Gen 14.80% $0 0019 2023 Jul 31.42% $0 0015 2023 AUG 18.75% $0 0018 2023 SEP 15.99% $0 0019 2023 OC 12.59% $0 0019 2023 NAV 5.05% $0 0021 2023 DEC plus 7.96% $0 0024 2024 Jan plus 11.90% $0 $0.0025. 2024 Feb plus 25.15% $0.0028. 2024 Blemish plus 25.05% $0.0028. 2024 APRA plus 40.25% $0.0031. 2024 May plus 42.50% $0 value forecast 2025 Our expectation model sees SLP coming to $0 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0. Smooth Love Mixture value expectation 2030 to 2040 What Smooth Love Elixir will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Smooth Love Elixir coming to 1 cent in 2030. What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to 2 cents in 2040. Will Smooth Adore Mixture supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Elixir won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Smooth Cherish Mixture reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Mixture can reach 10 cents yet just in the removed future. After 2030, will Smooth Adore Mixture reach $1? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Smooth Cherish Mixture reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Could Smooth Cherish Elixir reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Is Smooth Love Elixir worth purchasing? We are supporters of respectably dangerous money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with immense potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Smooth Love Mixture merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Mixture a wise speculation? Smooth Love Mixture is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Adore Mixture be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or much higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Elixir succeed and become more expensive? Smooth Love Elixir has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Smooth Love Elixir ascending to 1 cent in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the undertaking. Controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More fruitful contenders. Absence of all-around plan showcasing methodology. Losing local area support. Likely weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Smooth Adore Elixir go? Our gauging model sees Smooth Love Mixture value detonating and coming to 2 cents in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Smooth Love Elixir? Smooth Love Mixture will reach $0 the following 90 days, which is a 39.4% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $0. Will Smooth Cherish Elixir make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming that you purchase enormous enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become a Smooth Love Elixir mogul.